Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will be discussing bulk processing. A lot of people are trying to bulk process with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT simply doesn't have that feature. So I see a lot of people asking, like on Reddit or YouTube, how to do prompts in bulk, and there are not the best solutions out there. So we also looked at it on YouTube, but we could not find any solution, or at least the solution that Promptmate has created for this specific feature. And it's actually one of our earliest features when it comes to Promptmate, right? Promptmate allows you to bulk process with AI, ChatGPT or other AI systems, and we will be looking at it in a moment. But what actually is bulk processing? So for example, a lot of people want to do bulk processing and they are stuck in prompt chaining mode. Let's look at ChatGPT to explain better what I mean. So for example, if you want to say write an Instagram caption for product called January, and there you go. And then you have another product called February, and then you would copy this and maybe change just the name of the product. And then work becomes a little simpler because now you can just say proceed with March or product named March, right? At this point of the conversation, ChatGPT has clearer idea on what you want, so you can even do April and it will proceed on that line, even though it's giving you an A/B test to see what's the result you like more. And then we say May, etc. But if you stop this conversation and come back the next day, chances for getting a higher hallucination rate on this specific conversation grow. And obviously you cannot just do this every time, prompt chaining for everything. That's why a lot of users are asking about a bulk processing feature. So Promptmate allows you to do that. So if you go on Promptmate and let's say you create an app and you say product name January, right? And in this case, you would write something like write an Instagram caption for product named input field, right? This makes it way easier. So now you might say, we got the same result. Yeah, there's no difference at this moment, at this stage. But if you do this, you open a Google spreadsheet and you put all your products on a column, and the column is called product name, and you download this as a CSV. This is what you're able to do with Promptmate. So instead of using a single input, you will have to switch to CSV input. So now you close the CSV preview, and then you just upload the CSV we just downloaded. This one right here. And do save and add prompt. And if you click run bulk, this is what happens. Now you have a caption for each product. So let's say we can customize the display fields so you can even see our input fields actually. And now you get the product name and the caption for each. All done right away. And this is great because this actually solves bulk processing. This is the bulk processing with ChatGPT. And this will definitely create a lot of more simpler processes for you, or faster processes. And you can actually then proceed by downloading this as a CSV, or you can even open directly on Google Spreadsheet. And that's it. And not only you can bulk process with ChatGPT, but you can do it with any AI system you like. If you want to use Claude, GPT Vision, Code Interpreter, Google Gemini, Google Palm, Mistral AI, or even for images, right? DALL-E. This is it. Like you can bulk process with ChatGPT or any other AI system that you like with Promptmate. And this is great because if we get more practical and we start thinking of solutions and use cases, there are so many, and it's only up to your creativity and thought process. But still, let's just get a little bit more practical. And let's say we have actually brands that we want to generate content for, right? So instead of just having this fictional list of product that I just created for illustration purposes, if we have these brands in the list, right, and we download it as a CSV, thanks to our data extender, web page content data extender, you can actually go and create content for these pages without even visiting the page. So this is what it would look like. So in this case, if we do remove this, right, and grab this, Now here we will add a data extender. So we will go web page content screenshot extender. We don't need no screenshot at this moment, even though you can do that for some more credits, but we will just stay with none. And then in the URL field, we will get the brand list. Now it's called brand list, the input field, right? Because that's the name of the column on our spreadsheet. So write an Instagram caption for products based on product page. Let's just think that the product page is the URL that we had on the list. And now you say all website content. You can also choose main website content, but let's say we want to grab as much content as possible on the web page, on the website. And if you want to do a little bit separation in here, you can. And if you want to get more advanced, then you just don't want ChatGPT, but you want Turbo or GPT-4 Turbo. Let's lower the temperature for more, for better results, let's say, and we do save and test. This is what you will get. So now we don't have January, etc. We have the brands pages, right? So in this case, we had this product right here. What do they sell? It's an e-commerce page about football, apparently. And look what Promptmate could do. It just created an Instagram caption for that specific website, right? But now, again, when it comes to bulk processing, you can do this for all the URLs here right away without even visiting the page or analyzing. You just go in here and you do run bulk. And now we're getting a caption for each brand on the site. Because now, let's say if you also want to have the input field there. For each site in here, you get a caption right away. So imagine automating social media content for all the brands right away. And thanks to Promptmate's bulk processing feature, you can do that. Now again, here you can download the CSV file or Google spreadsheet, however you feel more comfortable. It allows you not only to bulk process, it allows you to extend data research and also switch your prompt provider or AI system, as we call it, and pick your favorite one, right? And to finalize this, because again, what's the purpose of bulk processing? Bulk processing is all about speeding up your processes, right? So you might be wondering, yeah, but I don't want to do this all the time. Well, you don't have to, because with Promptmate, what you can do is save this as a template and say bulk processing brands for Instagram, right? And yeah, you can add a description. I'm just going to be practical here and pick your favorite category and industry, and then you save it. And now you have it under your templates. So let me show you right away. It's this one, right? So all you have to do is access the template, switch to CSV input, and then drag and drop, or simply open the window and get the product list in here and click run bulk. That's it. This is simple, fast, efficient, and quality content when it comes to your results, because you avoid hallucination and you avoid giving commands time after time. All you have to do is use Promptmate and run in bulk your processes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.